On June 12, President Mnangagwa appointed 11 new High Court judges, including former magistrates and lawyers. Just 2 weeks later, these judges were handed new Land Rover Discovery vehicles, catching the public eye. But here's the twist. Some of these judges faced scrutiny over their qualifications. Critics pointed out that a few performed poorly in their public interviews. One judge, Ngoni Induna, even admitted to defaulting on a bank loan for his farm. The reaction? Mixed. Some applauded the diverse appointments while others questioned if these judges are the right fit for Zimbabwe's judiciary. Online commentators voiced concerns about the future of the legal system. So, what's next? Will these judges rise to the occasion, or will the controversies overshadow their duties? Only time will tell. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest news and analysis from Zimbabwe. Leave your comments down below to continue the conversation.